Thank you, Honorable Speaker, ma'am. Today, through you, I want to highlight the importance of Nari Shakti Bandhan. From the Yajurveda, I quote, Savishwa Prayu, Savishwa Karma, Savishwa Dhaya. This is the life of this universe, the creator, the sustainer. Before I begin, let me ask this question. Can a bird fly with just one wing? Can a nation become developed when half of its population is left behind? The answer is no. Speaker ma'am, if India aims to be the Viksit Bharat by 2047, the journey can't be led by men alone. Women must be there at the forefronts. India reflects a bottom-heavy model of women representation, strong at grassroots level because of 73rd and 74th constitutional amendment, while only about 14% representation at Lok Sabha against 27% global average. Voices of women have been silenced and pushed to the sidelines as the decisions are made about us, without us. That's not gap, that's a wall. And this wall will break with Nari Shakti Bandhan Adhiniyam. From Gargi and Maitreyi to the drone Didis of modern India, from leading ISRO missions to the corridors of parliament, Indian women have repeatedly proved that capability was never the issue, opportunity was. Speaker ma'am, let me keep it simple. For true inclusivity, we need to first make India the safest country in the world before, I repeat, before 2047. Surakshit Nari, Sashakt Nari, Samriddh Bharat must be our motto. Gender sensitization and equitable opportunity must be our priority. And we want women, not just in issue politics, but also in power politics. Only then we can expect representation, only then we can expect inclusivity. So while we measure the success of Viksit Bharat, let's ask, how many daughters completed their education? How many women led institutions? Thus, I conclude with this thought. नारी को कम समझकर मत आंको तुम, नारी शक्ति को कम समझकर मत आंको तुम, ये वही शक्ति है जो इतिहास बदल देती है. Let's build an India where women empowerment is not just a women's issue, but a national imperative with this bill. Thank you. Thank you, Speaker ma'am.